bikin na lubi vitamin New Zealand sih.
My blend hey ngo mamul tala ni bikin toni lalando sama to kina. And namata kami na ni ko bayan to ni teman relevo teman Mateo. A very good morning. Thank you so much for tuning in this morning in the tractor. They harvesting the what you call that Dems?
Bitternut.
Not the bitternut. The strawberry. A big mula pinaka to teman Mateo. Ngasai 7 years ngo na tabale ngo 7 ni wa little chico kay New Zealand.
Sa dobo si
Saba ko waji.
Masuk kali suwe kere-kere.
O saba ko.
Kere tu kay.
Wana ngon ni nambutongo. O saba chingo na tabale ngo na daman de lako ba. Balete no ko na lilang ka sarap le maram ni New Zealand.
Okay.
Kaya pa kain dona ka na ka me New Zealand. Chico nga me New Zealand.
Okay.
Iyo, 7 o moja. Bambul tala ni bite ba te isi na bale sarana. Hindi kita to man bite FM. Ana matanga ni ko. Veron bitu na harvest. Sino ito na katabila? Sama to man bite FM.
Iya nak, wah, natal tuh bertonela langgo. Thank you very much to the family joining today. This is to all the drivers, to all the planters, orang tahu tete. Thank you very much to all the animal racer. Tahu susu manu. Thank you very much. Sabi na nariba, this is from the pineapple plant.
Right.
Tahu te pineapple ngo. To Sakeo, Tex, and sabi na nariba. They are from Yakete. In Ba. During mango season, they collect 1,000. During pineapple season, they collect 1,000. During AB season, they collect 1,000. Because of what? Because of the surrounding is money in the soil.
Okay.
Where the soil is, money is.
Na buru-buru lang satu kaya saluto na to may akete mbay.
Right.
Churundom.
Right.
Yeah.
Fish in the sea.
Fish in the sea, so many.
Boy. Ayaw saranga.
Everywhere money.
Yeah.
Pineapple. Pinapalipsar. Ano ba kibrin na rabito lili?
Right.
Ito ka naman tagli ko just there's what you call it don kama doy nandawa.
Yesterday.
Iyo.
Anambongin doon mo to ka kelti ka kama. Ang mga nangangaroon siya to pa color. Everywhere you go, there is accident. You don't know what might happen tomorrow. The next minute, in the next second. All you have to do is to be prepared.
All right.
Siapa tahu, Dems? Are you prepared?
I'm prepared for so long.
Okay, if death is coming in
I
now.
tell them, wait there, who are you to come? Who gave you the permission to pass, trespass? Never allow any sign of death.
Death coming and knocking in the studio window.
Yeah, come.
The spirit of death coming and knocking in the studio window.
I told them, who sent you? Where you come from? How come?
I'm coming for you, my brother.
Don't ever come here. I'm cembernyung kasih.
To na bitaw tak na death.
Right.
Part of the chicken nondam bula. Don
Don't believe.
Kumpul may kina. Ngayon da sudu may kina tandu bango nonda dabo ba mandali ni buru.
Right.
No mo friend o death.
Of course.
Ayo, bato chicken taro sa bimbul ben don no go biya.
Right.
Sabi wage ratu sabi na temo wage ratu. Rest in peace ita bingo. May nabo na bitang na mato sauci.
Right.
Ibulu chicken tal-tala. Ngon nga sa tanda may kina dali ni buru.
Yeah.
No the friend mo lang taon na besinga. O mati.
Friend, I hate you.
Huh?
I hate you, friend.
Why?
Because your friend is your enemy. Yeah, that's truth.
Iya, siya nga utukun juga.
True.
But
Okay, continue.
our friend here
Right.
doesn't want to die.
Okay.
Yeah.
He will be growing like that until when he grow up, he'll become a monkey.
Monkey mendewa tambah ni kau. Tinay melali yan.
Because he don't want to die. All of us will die.
Mika,
Right.
Because there's a reason behind the question. The answer.
All right.
Dems, please, Kerker, come. Tell us today.
Whose?
Why don't you want to die?
Hey, everybody don't want to die.
No.
I'm on the.
No.
I'm now like the sweetest life in my life.
Myself and
is
Atu, we are prepared.
Prepare maybe. Orang itu mandangan kita mata level mula. I don't want to die.
Tell us, please.
I don't want to die. You know, if I want to die, if I complete all the mission, I'm here. 4.
Okay.
Why the
How
mission
many
is
mission you got?
Right.
So many mission. Some mission not yet accomplished.
Okay.
Okay, nada.
Continue.
Yeah.
Oi.
But
Okay.
Okam.
Club, okay. Death
Yeah.
should come to you in what
What form?
Yeah, what form?
Death?
Knocking. Knocking.
Huh?
No, don't come for knocking.
Yeah.
Please.
Suddenly, melama mo sorry, mutoy mate.
Kuha kunte
mo
mati.
stroke.
Saya nga sarangan yung besa. Ang besa sarangan ikin.
Papa diffuse
Ay,
stroke.
kaya orang ni tingko manabi matanggal ko ang anas no kuha. You know, that's where the time the girl nangonan doon daw biya bukinar na maramang ko.
Yeah.
Nangonan menta sa andan da tukina. Naraba kaya to lo manra. Oh, nauko na kinabatangin doon dedere.
Yeah.
Iyo.
All you
Why-
have to do
yeah.
on your sick bed, yes,
Yeah.
the sick bed.
Iyo.
See, like this. See. You
Yeah.
can't do anything
Iya.
like this.
Nanggumi badunga. Kantok. Only see passing around. Kain to ka na mini dress meta to ka hindi binala kan ko.
Yeah.
Oh, binakata kami ndang unumasi ma.
Why is that? Why is
But
that?
na death na lako renda frente nga bisingan. Davi kalo to daw.
Yes.
Kada sin kala na bisingan.
Tilsar, ato tilsar.
Amo mo tinido do meta na war meta na.
Namaka.
Now we are happy, we are laughing about this topic, but this topic is a truthfulness.
Truthfulness.
Kontra kandina.
We always talk about the truthfulness.
Yeah,
Myself.
you know, because if this you are happy now,
Yeah.
sometime tomorrow
Yeah.
somebody will cry.
Yeah.
Tilsar.
Now,
We
now,
don't know.
matanga, now.
Now,
Yeah.
someone is someone wants to them to alive.
Right.
Someone is pumping your stomach.
Yeah.
Right.
Lang bili tuna kita na may paburtan mo na nailim.
Right. Right.
But we are lucky enough
Yeah.
that death is afraid of us.
Huh?
Because of the church of the truth inside us.
Yeah.
Iyo. This is a true story.
How thick is your church?
Yeah.
Not how
Inside you. Inside you.
Yeah.
anybody can leak.
So when?
Iya, ini satu lang man ngelusir tuh satu kali biko.
Iya.
Dems, tamayaw.
Yeah. Ente berita nang siya Lucifer.
Iya, kita mau tadi kesat kami juga biko ng bulan ng ano.
Iya.
Ya sa yo tamizap.
Time is up.
Please.
Your mission is not complete.
Iya.
You will go and you will receive the punishment.
Ha? Kaya nga bangkori misa tukuni may bangkori. Kaya nga indo na pakambutung-bute. Kubo na mata-mata maeli. Ay, muli bila kalaw kabika.
Mataka.
Yeah.
Sivret sini and sini minutes.
Right.
Kita sa lang kita may pikta kiko.
Yeah. They're giving you 24 hours now.
Iya.
Complete your mission.
What will you do?
What will you do?
I don't want to come talk tomorrow. I will stay home.
Okay.
I will stay home. I'll give my last breath to the home.
And when you stay home.
No more letter, no more. Don't get a file load.
When you stay home, everybody at home will be going to work.
Huh?
You will be alone.
Hindi yun, nalako-lako yan. Tapos tali mo nito ka. Doon mula bila kami way mo no apartment. Tuwa, yan na ka. Pambamba tuman tabi tuwa. Mula bila ka mo ako labangan ji. We love you all.
Tamaro churan tambula.
Iya.
Sama jika nasi na bika binaka.
Right.
Buat tenan tabi sigi matak na tabi kalau na bisi to the second kill.
Hindi na Sara. Binabali bu punjes for allowing us for say your name. Celebrating.
90 years. Sa akin, sa rawat kami balmatak eh? 10 past 10, 10 past 10 eh?
10 past 10.
10 past 10 nomor. Kita sa breakfast tiga sa sinungal mo ka.
O di may bela ko may. Misa kila kaya makasala ko may bela ko ya.
Iya.
Sindi bela ko may. Huti ni numideng kakek ko binakata mo.
Okay, lubi ngor, lubi. Binawalim sar lubi.
Iya.
Binawalim sar mai, binawalim sar nomor itu kana matagal ko. Catch tu. Dono binak. Ano binaka bi nawangka? Ano binaka? Kaito lo service B2 Nation.
Kaya mali, doon mambulali mo naman yung chugay mo.
Ya siya mo kaya nga.
Iya.
Sember bagi di bawah robo binak.
Iya.
Iya.
Kasi ni biya ka diving ko kere-kere.
Lagi makasama takan na lebu na lubenta lebu na tatinda na nganenta. Na nonrombula se leli.
Sengon.
Akadib. Sakadib so nonrombula. Ya se ko chikare tukutuk bi kada na mataka diko.
Oman dan indore dento me lenga pongo gore na nambakin nimbula lingoni biu. Dora kan nungu kawai.
Iya.
Amarutin ko.
Pare ni bina katiani, dono mo likes, dono mo share, sa takan ng page, may kami na TikTok,